Hello traders, in this video we will discuss how to place a trade on Shoonya desktop. First select the script you want to trade on from the watch list, then right click on it. Here you can see you have the option for buy order and sell order. To open the buy window you can also press F1 key from your keyboard. Also to view the charts of the particular script you can select chart or press F11. Now to place a buy order, select buy order from the drop down. Here select the order type from limit, market, SL and SLM. I'll select limit. Next enter the quantity you want to buy, and as I am placing a limit order, I can change the price to where I want my order to be executed. Next select the product type from CNC, margin, intraday, cover order and bracket order. Here I'll place a CNC order. You can also view the margin required for the trade. Click on calculate. Here you can see the total margin, span margin and available margin. Once done, click on submit. Confirm your order here and then click on yes. As you can see, the order has been placed successfully. Now to check your order, we will go in order book. Again go to trade and select order book. Here you can see the order I just placed. Since the order is not executed yet, you can see the order status is pending. Now you have two options here. You can modify the order or cancel the order. To modify the order, click on modification. Here you can change the order type, price, quantity and product type. Here I'll change my order from limit to market and click on modify. Continue order modification. Click on yes. And as you can see, the order is no longer in my order book as it just got executed. To check your executed order, you can go in trade book. Here you can see the details of your executed order. Now if you want to square off your position, again go to trade and open net positions, or you can press Alt F6. Here you can view your open positions and closed positions along with live MTM. Now you can see you have three options at the bottom of the window: square off, bulk square off and position conversion. To square off your positions, click on square off and enter the quantity you want to square off. You can also change the order type. Once done, click on submit. So this was a brief overview of how you can place a trade in Shoonya desktop. Thank you. For any further assistance, please contact us.